Well, apparently Harbor Freight wasn't quite finished with the August parking lot sale. I already put out a video showing you my picks from the original sale flyer, but since then Harbor Freight has updated the digital flyer and added quite a few more deals. I'm not going to go back through everything we've already covered. Instead, I picked out 8 of the newly added deals that caught my attention. And stick around until the end because I'll show you the updated flyer so you can pause it and look through the rest of the new deals for yourself. Let's get started. First up is the Daytona 3-ton professional heavy-duty floor jack. This one's going to be $109.99 down from $179.99. That's a $70 savings, or right around 39% off. For a Daytona 3-ton at $110, I think this is one of the better additions to the parking lot sale. Next up, we've got something considerably cheaper. The Hercules 3-pack of oscillating multi-tool blades is going to be just $7.99, down from $17.99. $10 savings, more than 50% off. If you use an oscillating tool or multi-tool very often, you know you can go through blades pretty quickly, so for $8 for a 3-pack, seems like a great pick to me. Next is the Icon 7-piece oil filter socket set. Regular price is $54.99, and during the sale, it's going to be $29.99. That's $25 off, or about 45%. If you do your own oil changes, you've been looking at this Icon set, that's a substantial discount. Moving on, we got the Pittsburgh 4-ton hydraulic body repair kit. Regular price is $179.99, and the parking lot sale price is $99.99. So you're saving $80, or about 44%. Obviously, this isn't something everybody needs, but if you've been looking for a hydraulic body repair kit, that's a pretty significant savings. Next is the Hallmaster adjustable aluminum 2-ball hitch. This one normally sells for $149.99, and it's going to be $89.99 during the sale. That's $60 off, or 40%. So if you do much towing and you've had one of these adjustable hitches on your list, this might be one worth checking out. Next, we have the HOLT Deluxe manual fluid extractor and dispenser. Regular price is $149.99, sale price $89.99. Once again, that's $60 off, or 40%. This is another one of those tools you may not use every day, but when you need it, it can make a job a whole lot easier. Now let's get something from the welding department in here. The Chicago Electric welding cart is normally $54.99, but during the parking lot sale, it's going to be $29.99. That's a $25 savings, or about 45% off. For right around $30, if you've been needing a cart for your welder, that's not a bad deal at all. And my last pick from the new edition is a bigger ticket item. The Predator 5000 starting watt generator is going to be $399.99, down from $499.99. $100 off. Percentage-wise, it's not the biggest discount in this list, but $100 is still $100, and Predator generators have become pretty popular at Harbor Freight. So those are my 8 picks from the additional items Harbor Freight added to the August parking lot sale. But before we finish, there's one more deal I want to point out. The Badlands ZXR 9,500-pound winch was originally shown at $269, but the updated digital flyer has it at $249. So that one's not a new addition. Harbor Freight just made the deal another $20 better. Now I'm going to put up the additional flyers on the screen so that you can look at them. There are quite a few more new deals than the 8 I picked, so take a look through them. You can pause the video if you need a little more time, and you may find something on there that interests you more than the ones I chose. And if you haven't seen my original August parking lot sale video, I'll leave a link to that one as well. Please let me know down in the comments which one of these new deals caught your attention, or if there's one on the updated flyer that you should have or could have included. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, y'all take care.